All right, so we're going to convert 200 centimeters, which is cm is the abbreviation, to meters, which is m. Okay, so we know that 200 centimeters is what we're trying to change into or convert into meters. Okay, so what we know goes on top, 200 cm goes on top, and that goes over 1. Let's go see on our conversion chart what we know about centimeters and meters. Well, I know that there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So 100 centimeters in 1 meter. 100 goes on the bottom because you're trying to cross it out. Okay, this is the conversion we know based off of our cheat sheet that we're given. And this is the fraction of what we know from the problem. So we cross off our centimeters, and we sit here and say, okay, 200 over 100, because 200 times 1 is 200, 1 times 100 is 100. And this is an easy conversion. Where you learned in at Obama in 4th and 5th grade how to divide with zeros. If you have 2 zeros on top, I can cross off the 2 zeros on the bottom. So I have 2 over 1, which would be 2. Now, if you didn't know that, you would sit here and divide. 200's on top, so 200 goes in the house. 100 goes on the outside. And you can simply ask yourself, yes, I know I tell you to say, how many times does 100 go into 2? But you can ask yourself, how many times does 100 go into 200? Well, think about it. If you have 100 and then you have another 100, that's 200. So 100 times 2 gives you 200. And then when you subtract that out, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. And then 2 minus 2 is 0. So your answer would be 0 across the board. So your answer is 2. So how convert 200 centimeters to meters? You have 2 meters. You can say m, or you can even say 2 meters.